Good morning, guys. Just woke up. It's 5:30 a.m. These days, I actually started fasting. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hopefully I'm not too late. The shop is just about to open. It's my day off. Hi guys, just finished my first lecture. Now I have an hour and a half gap and I'm off to the gym. And yeah, it's gonna be raining. And that's why I'm not writing this. Because look at them. I'm gonna have to wash them afterwards. So yeah, it's gonna be an arm workout. I may get some of it on film, but we'll see. And if not, I'm gonna see you in the second lecture. I just finished my bicep workout. Now I'm gonna go to uni again. I have a 2-hour lecture and then I'm gonna be back in the gym to do triceps. Weird enough, but I'm short on time and that's what I'm gonna do. So it's around 12 o'clock now. I'm gonna have my post-workout meal, which is gonna be my first meal of the day. Can't wait. Заето викат, бе? I
don't know, make the Spanish army.
Night was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below you. Perseus. Perseus.
I received the package that I'm gonna show you, and you guys are gonna help me unpack it, yeah? Okay, no? It's this one. Let's see what it has. No fucking way, guys, look. Focus. I guess I'm about to put it on, see how it goes. Аз да прочета какво става, или за колко време ще го това нещо? 30 минути ли бе? Peel it off after 20-30 minutes. Бати, това е филм. На пръст ли трябва да си го слава?
Май да.
Май да го наведеш малко в смисъл.
Не виждам нищо, брат. Гнус.
Бате, и ко? Да, горе.
Сехи.
See you guys in 20-30 minutes, yeah? The last meal of the day, guys, is gonna be apples with almond butter and a grapefruit. That's gonna be third or fourth meal for the day. As you can see, the face thing with the black stuff didn't go so well. My skin feels tight and stuff, but yeah, overall a waste of money. Consider it if you're gonna get it. It was just 12 pounds, but still, yeah. Okay, till the end of the night I'm probably gonna be studying for the most part, and then I'm gonna do some editing, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die off really quick. I'm gonna go to bed like around 8, which is an hour and a half from now. So yeah, maybe have a tea or coffee. Yeah, but if not, thank you. If not, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.